Hey there, parents. This is a short video to teach you how to make your own PowerSchool parent portal account. Some of you might already have this, but I want to put this information out there just to make sure everyone can access the PowerSchool parent portal, check students' attendance, and check students' grades and stay on top of their students' work while here at Muncie Community Schools. So just to kind of refresh everybody and make sure we have this connectivity, schools were given letters and they will go out either report cards. I think Muncie Central sent theirs out before break, but it's going to have your access ID information to make your own account if you've not already done so. I know some folks have, but fresh account information if you've not already done this is something we really want everyone to take advantage of. So we have lots of different pieces of software, but we're specifically talking about PowerSchool. What goes into PowerSchool controls Schoology and other things, but it's probably the most important because it's where attendance, report cards, and transcripts come from. So as a parent, you can log in and stay in tune with what your student is doing. So you're going to get this letter if you've not already gotten this, and it's going to give you some access ID and access password. This is not login information. You'll use this to connect with your students. For you to make your own account, you're simply going to go to muncie.powerschool.com, click create an account. Here you're going to put your name, your email, your username, and your password. You create all that data, not us, and you make your account. You're then going to use the access ID and password provided by the school to link to your students, and then when you log in, you can see what they're doing. If you have any questions about this information, you can always contact your building secretary, and they can provide you the access ID and access password again. So let's see what this looks like. This is what the letter you're receiving is going to look like, and right down here is that access ID and access password I just mentioned. That's not what you're going to log in with. We're going to use that a little bit later. You're going to go to the website, make your own account, create your own account. So it's going to look like this. Muncie.powerschool.com, create an account again. Let's start with putting your name, your last name, your email, your desired username, your password, and re-enter your password, all your information there. Then that information that was provided here in this letter, access ID and access password, we're going to put it right here. You're going to put your student's name, that access ID, that access password, and future relationship. That's how it links their information to your account you created up top. And as you can see, you can add more than one student. So if you have students at different schools, you can check in on all of them. It's that easy. Once you've done that, you can log on and see all different kinds of things in PowerSchool, grades and attendance being the most important, but there could be some other functionality added in the future as PowerSchool controls all kinds of stuff. If you get stuck, you can go to the Muncie Community Schools website right here and go to Student and Parents and click Technology. On this page, you're going to have some information down here about technology, but you've also got this PowerSchool Access Guide. When you click this, it's going to bring up this guy right here. This Access Guide is going to give you picture by picture, step by step on how to create that PowerSchool account, as well as Schoology instructions if you're interested in that. But also you're going to see a video tutorial, and over here there's a tutorial as well, a parent account demonstration. You can see exactly how to navigate your PowerSchool account. So quick review: get your letter, make your own account, create your own account at muncie.powerschool.com. muncie.powerschool.com, create your own account, and then you're going to use that access ID and access password to link to your student when you make your own account, and you can log in, see grades, attendance, all kinds of stuff. If you get stuck, go to Muncie Community Schools website under Parent and Students Technology, and you'll find all kinds of helpful resources. Have a great day.